Welcome to your new favorite escape, a place where you're about to discover the gentle power of transforming rest into a source of unparalleled rejuvenation and clarity. This isn't just a meditation, it's your personal key to unlocking a world of calm, focus, and energy that waits just beneath the surface of your busy mind. In this lovingly crafted session, you're going to accomplish something truly remarkable. Imagine pressing a soft, invisible reset button, easing away the noise of the day, and waking up feeling refreshed and ready to embrace whatever comes next, all within a mere 10 minutes. It sounds like a dream, doesn't it? But with a touch of mindfulness and the right guidance, this dream is about to become your reality. As we embark on this journey together, remember that this time is a gift you're giving yourself, a gift of peace, of love, and of quiet strength. So find a cozy spot, settle in, and let's turn these next few minutes into an oasis of tranquility in your day. You're not just taking a nap, you're stepping into a circle of care and nurturing that will envelop you, leaving you more connected with yourself and ready to face the world with a smile. Welcome, and let's begin this beautiful journey together. As we ease into this peaceful journey together, let's take a moment to create the perfect setting for your meditation nap, a sanctuary where you can let go, recharge, and find serenity in the midst of your day. First, find a quiet, comfortable spot where you can lie down or recline without being disturbed. This could be a cozy corner of your room, a soft patch of grass under a gentle shade, or any space that feels safe and inviting. The key here is comfort, so grab an extra pillow or blanket if it helps you feel snug and secure. Now, let's set the atmosphere. If you're indoors, consider dimming the lights or drawing the curtains to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. If you like, you can play some soft ambient sounds in the background, perhaps the gentle lull of ocean waves or the soothing rustle of leaves, just enough to mask any background noise and immerse you in a bubble of calm. Take a moment to adjust your clothing so that nothing feels tight or restrictive. Let your body breathe and relax fully into the space you've created. Position yourself so that your spine is aligned and you feel fully supported, whether you're lying flat or slightly elevated. With your physical space now set, gently close your eyes and turn your attention inward. Begin to notice your breath. Don't change it, just observe its natural rhythm, feeling the air as it enters and leaves your body. This simple act of awareness is your first step into the tranquil world of meditation napping, where each breath is a soft whisper, guiding you deeper into relaxation. You're now perfectly poised at the threshold of rest and rejuvenation. In this space you've created, enveloped in warmth and comfort, you're ready to embark on a journey within, a journey to revive your mind, body, and spirit in just a few precious minutes. Let's begin. With the scene set for your serene escape, let's gently begin the meditation. You're perfectly positioned to dive into a state of restful awareness, a sanctuary within where peace and clarity await. Start by taking a few deep, intentional breaths. Inhale slowly and deeply through your nose, filling your lungs with air, feeling your chest and abdomen rise. Hold that breath for a moment at its peak, then exhale smoothly through your mouth, releasing all the air and with it, any tension you've been holding. With each breath, imagine yourself sinking deeper into relaxation, each exhale a step further into tranquility. As you continue to breathe deeply and evenly, turn your attention to any areas of your body where tension lingers. It could be in your shoulders, your neck, or anywhere else that feels tight. With every exhale, visualize this tension melting away, leaving your muscles soft, relaxed, and completely at ease. This process is not just about physical relaxation, but also about letting go of any mental or emotional weights you've been carrying. Now, as you find your breath becoming more natural and rhythmic, allow this sense of calm to wash over you. Feel it in the gentle rise and fall of your chest, in the softness of your relaxed muscles, and in the quiet of your mind. You're entering a space of deep relaxation where the boundaries between sleep and wakefulness blur, inviting you to the restorative embrace of a meditation nap. Before you drift further into relaxation, gently introduce an intention for this meditation nap. It could be something you seek clarity on, a feeling of peace you wish to cultivate, or simply the desire for restful, rejuvenating sleep. Whisper this intention to yourself, then release it, trusting that your subconscious will hold it gently as you rest. You are now at the heart of your meditation, enveloped in peace and poised for rest. In this state of deep relaxation, you're not just preparing for a nap. You're nurturing your mind, body, and soul in a cocoon of calm. Let this meditation guide you into a restful sleep where rejuvenation and clarity await. As you float in this tranquil space, your breath steady and your body at ease, let's deepen your meditation nap, guiding you towards even more profound rest and rejuvenation. Embrace the quietude that surrounds you, letting it be a soft blanket that envelops your senses. In this silence, your mind finds freedom. Freedom from the clutter of thoughts, from the incessant chatter of daily life. Allow yourself to surrender to this silence, feeling it seep into every part of your being, calming and soothing as you drift closer to a state of restful awareness. In your mind's eye, imagine a place that epitomizes peace and tranquility for you. It could be a serene beach at dusk, the gentle sway of trees in a secluded forest, or a cozy nook in your favorite room. Picture yourself in this place, feeling its calmness infuse every cell of your body. With every breath, you're more deeply immersed in this scene, each detail contributing to your sense of peace and relaxation. Imagine your body becoming lighter with each breath. With every exhale, you release not just physical tension, but also any worries, doubts, or fears that have been weighing you down. Visualize them evaporating into the air, leaving you feeling buoyant and free. This sensation of weightlessness is not just physical, but emotional and mental, lifting you into deeper layers of relaxation. As you continue to relax, remind yourself that it's okay to let go completely. Trust in the natural flow of your breath and your body's innate ability to find rest. There's nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to be. In this moment, you are exactly where you're supposed to be, doing exactly what you're meant to do, resting deeply and rejuvenating your entire being. You're now in the deepest phase of your meditation nap, a sacred space where healing and restoration are effortlessly achieved. Here, in the depths of relaxation, your mind and body are rejuvenating, preparing to emerge from this nap not just rested, but renewed, ready to return to the world with fresh energy and clarity. Let yourself sink into this healing sleep, knowing that you are held, safe, and deeply cared for in this moment of rest. As your meditation nap gently draws to a close, it's time to slowly reawaken to the world around you, bringing back the peace and rejuvenation you've discovered into the rest of your day. Start to deepen your breath, inviting a little more energy into your body with each inhalation. Feel the air stirring you softly back to wakefulness, rekindling a gentle awareness of your surroundings. With each exhale, retain a sense of the calm and restfulness you've cultivated. Begin to introduce movement back into your body with small, gentle wiggles of your fingers and toes. Stretch in any way that feels good, maybe reaching your arms overhead or rolling your shoulders. These movements are like love notes to your body, signaling the end of your rest and the beginning of a refreshed engagement with the day. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes, taking in your surroundings with a soft gaze. Allow yourself a moment to adjust, feeling grounded and present. If you're lying down, take your time sitting up, moving with care and intention, honoring the body's transition from rest back to activity. Before you rise, set a positive intention for the rest of your day. It could be an attitude you wish to embody, an action you aim to take, or simply a commitment to carry the peace you've found with you. Whisper this intention to yourself, sealing the meditation nap with a personal vow of mindfulness and purpose. Finally, offer a silent word of gratitude to yourself for taking this time to rest and rejuvenate. Acknowledge your wisdom in recognizing the power of a meditation nap to transform your state of being. With this gratitude in your heart, gently transition back into the rhythm of your day, refreshed, renewed, and ready to embrace whatever comes your way with grace and vitality. Thank you for joining me in this meditation nap. Remember, this peaceful oasis is always here for you, a sanctuary of rest and rejuvenation just a few mindful breaths away.